He's so dramatic. So dramatic. He's not gonna die, I promise. There'll be more vlogs!
Just got married in that hut.
Hazel got married to me.
Oh, in that hut? No way!
Hazel and I got married.
Guess where we're at today? What's up, everybody? What's going on? We are in La Jolla, San Diego, California. Wait. Welcome back to our channel. If you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button. Today we are in La Jolla. We're gonna take you with us and tell you a story about this place. We're gonna have an adventure. And this is a reset. You know what a reset is? I'm gonna tell you about it too.
What's up, everybody? We are here in La Jolla, California at the cottage, about to eat some breakfast. I ordered the crab cake, eggs Benedict. I'm really excited to try it, and I think I'm gonna get myself a Bloody Mary too. I heard this place is really good.
You know me, I don't really drink on vacation. I don't. Maybe later tonight. We're all rocking chinelas. Woo! Hell yeah, let's go. Just got married in that hut.
Hazel got married to me.
Oh, in that hut? No way!
Lucky.
Me and Jess got married here.
Really?
On this beach. On this beach.
Talaga?
Actually, I'm gonna show you where we got married at. See that hut right there? That hut.
It's vlog takeover time. We are here at Wind and Sea Beach in La Jolla, California. This is a very special place for us. If y'all don't know, Hazel and I got married here back in 2008. Anyway, he's back there setting up his camera. We had originally came to get a time lapse of the sunset, but as you can see, that's not very much of a sunset this evening. It got really cloudy all of a sudden. So yeah, I'm just gonna let him do his thing back there. We're gonna hang out, grab some dinner in a little bit. We got an hour till our reservation. We'll take you with us, of course, as always. Check out these sunglasses that he got me. What do y'all think of these, huh? A little retro.
We just got here. Let me get a shot of Eddie B's. Eddie. Oh, there you go. Eddie. Eddie Shah.
I'm hungry. I'm so starving.
We're gonna feast right now. I don't know. The last time we were here, what were we doing here? What were we?
We had a celebration.
We actually came here to Eddie B's and celebrated a divorce party.
Yeah, we were going to tell you later what it is. You know what a reset is? I'm gonna tell you about it.
Reset for me, I guess, is enjoying the fruits of my labor. You work hard, you play hard. Unfortunately, I work hard a lot, so I don't get to take too many resets. So when I do get to take them, I gotta make them count.
Or when you're working too much, days and hours, you're working hard, you deserve a timeout. You know, probably take a PTO or take your vacation, go somewhere, take somebody that will keep you focused and like your mind set into just resetting instead of taking somebody else that's gonna cost you more drama. Don't do that. Diba? The last time we were here, we had the major reset, like a massive reset, isn't it? Wasn't it?
He's referring to our divorce, y'all. Yes.
Oh, wow. That
I
just came out of the
I will address the elephant in the room. We are divorced. We got married here in 2008. We got divorced in 2012. We actually came here to Eddie V's and celebrated a divorce party together. That was the major reset he is referring to. So that's the elephant in the room. We're still in each other's lives. I still love this guy. He's speechless. I love it. He's speechless.
Can't find somebody like me.
But you can't find someone like me. I'm a unicorn, mother.
A needle in a haystack.
All right, our first course has arrived. We cannot come to Eddie V's without getting this seafood tower. Filet mignon just got here. Wanted to give you a quick look before I devour it.
This is a must-have. You should check out Eddie V's. Ordered the seafood tower. Ooh. Almost forgot my name there. It's amazing. It's good, especially when I got a buzz off from the first 2 sips.
My plan is working.
Oh my god, okay. I'll catch you guys back in the hotel. Jessica signed me up to get in the middle of the water. I am not a swimmer, and if something happens to me, this will be my last entry. I love you guys.
Ang ina mo, you doing that sign me up and this.
He's so dramatic. So dramatic. We are just gonna go kayaking in the La Jolla Caves. He's not gonna die, I promise. There'll be more vlogs!
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this.
Oh.
I know he's a fan.
I didn't sign up for this.
Are you guys in singles or a double?
We're in one.
Clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep.
Ridiculous. You want me to be honest? Oh crap. It's more like a nightmare right now. It's not dramatic. We gave up our chinelas, but I was born for this.
You're a seaman.
Yeah, you're funny, motherfucker. last night, that's where dinner was. And now, we're right here where the dinner came from. There's a sea lion over there. They're going crazy going into that cave. We just went in and you just saw that. But, yeah, you know what? Shit's cold.
Love we found is something about you. Something about you I like. About you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. It's rare that I come out without my hat and my hair not fixed. Oh no, oh my god. But who cares? You know what? If you care too much about what other people think, then you got a problem. That's when you become a problem.
Dinner and a show, y'all.
So we just got sat. Unfortunately, it's about to rain and it's drizzling right now. You good? You covered?
Are you?
My precious time, chasing somebody who loves me too. If I got $1 for every time you slam.
Holy crap, it's already 5:30 in the morning. We have to be in Las Vegas around what time? Around noon for Randy's wedding, so we're gonna have to
Life, if you hadn't run away, every time I asked you stay, you would sleep right next to me tonight.
Guess who decided to join us?
Let's ride.
I know, she's not a morning person, so I'm taking care of everything right now. Get in, hurry up, please. Your butt's all over it and then... Time to go. This is all you, Randy. We made it! Yeah, we made it. It's Randy's wedding. We went straight from San Diego to here and actually had to dress up.
You were not the guy I thought. Now I'm beating you at your own. Yeah. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive. No, you didn't know me. All you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. About your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. But you didn't win this. It's a part of the game. Yeah, I beat you at your game. And if you were me, you would do the same.